In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update DNS records in Hostinger. If you're managing a website and need to tweak your DNS settings, you've come to the right place. We'll be walking through the entire process step by step, ensuring that you feel confident and well-informed by the end of our session. To get started, the first thing you need to do is sign in to your Hostinger account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, as you'll need them to access your dashboard. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to the section labeled either Domains or Websites. If you're managing your DNS via a hosting plan, you'll want to head over to the Websites section. If you're dealing directly with domain registrations, opt for Domains and then Domain Portfolio. The placement might vary slightly depending on how you initially set up your account. Now that you're in the right area, find the domain name you want to work on. Next to it, you'll see a button labeled Manage. Clicking this is your gateway to all the settings you might need to adjust. Once there, turn your attention to the left menu. You're looking for the option called DNS, Name Servers. Give that a click, and it will bring up a new tab or section titled DNS Records. This is where all the magic happens. Within the DNS Records tab, you'll see a list of existing records associated with your domain. Sometimes, this list can be quite comprehensive, so it might take a bit of scrolling to find exactly what you're looking for. Thankfully, there's a search bar to help you quickly locate specific entries by name or type. If your goal is to edit an existing record, look for the Edit icon. Clicking this will allow you to update fields such as the record type, name, content, and TTL, depending on what changes you need to make. Once you've entered the new information, make sure to hit the Update button to save your changes. It's important at this stage to double-check that all the information is correct. An incorrect DNS setting can lead to website downtime or issues with email delivery, so accuracy is key. In the event that you need to delete a record, perhaps because it's no longer needed or was set up incorrectly, find the record in question and click on the Delete icon. Be cautious with this action, as deletion is immediate and permanent. Mistakes in deletion can also lead to unforeseen interruptions, so ensure that the record is indeed unnecessary before proceeding. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can update and manage your DNS records in Hostinger like a pro. If at any point you feel unsure, Hostinger's customer support is just a click away, always ready to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting.